trip of train, plane, train, walking, and now one more bus to Miami. Oh my god, I finally made it to the hostel. It looks pretty nice. That bus ride was like an hour and a half. That was way too long, but it was free. Lots of yelling going on in the bus. Yeah. Miami! Checking out the hostel. That was a very short stay. Was it worth it? Maybe. I'm on Virginia Key and just waiting for my Uber. Yeah, so much traveling. I wonder if I'm overdoing it on the traveling. Hopefully this Burning Man event is actually pretty fun. Can't compare it to the real Burning Man. And yeah.